is one of my master set binders. It holds all the cards that I acquired so far since the release of the set, and I'm going to show you how I organize my binder by first making a title page. In this video, I'm going to show you why I make my title page, what I use to make my title page, and of course, how I come up with the designs of my title pages. So the big question you're probably thinking is, why? Why am I making a title page? Is there even a point? Do I have enough pages? Well, I think there's enough pages and there is definitely a point. But let's understand the definition of a title page before we continue. A title page is a page at the beginning of the book giving its title, the name of the author and publisher, and other publication information. So if I were to simplify this, it means that the reader is going to see the first page of the book and understand what it's going to be about and who it's from. There are millions, possibly billions of books out there in the world, and I'm pretty sure every single one of them has a title page. So why not make one for your TCG binders? It is technically a book with pages after all. But how does this relate to Pokemon TCG? To start off, there are so many different types of binders out there for TCG collection. There's trade binders, master set binders, even rare collection binders as well. Even binders that have a specific theme like a Pikachu collection or even full art trainer card collection. And the common thing that we do as a collector is when we start making a binder for any specific collection, we always start adding cards on the first page. It's kind of like the first natural instinct that we have as a collector, where we consolidate all of our cards together, have a brand new binder available, and then we start adding everything onto the first page. By the way, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. You'll probably see the button highlight down below. And if you really enjoyed the video so far, go ahead and leave it a like. I would actually really appreciate that. And also, don't forget to click on the notification bell, alright? Trust me, the next video is going to be that much more exciting. Alright? Cool. Now, I don't have a lot of master set binders, but for the ones that I do, I go back to them time and time again just to add new cards to the set. Even if I just want to admire the cards that I got, I would go back time and time again just to check them out. Now, here's the thing. Wouldn't it be more aesthetically pleasing to see your entire set start off on a page where you can see everything on both sides? There are a lot of Pokemon sets out there, and they usually start off with the following typing. They go Grass, Fire, Water, Lightning, Psychic, Fighting, Dark, Steel, sometimes Dragon, and then the colorless, which is pretty much like the standard for whenever a new set comes out. Personally, I like to see all my cards start off in the first two pages so I can see everything all at once. That includes the trade binder, rare collection binder, and of course my master set binder. But if we consider this idea for the master set binders or any kind of collection binders by having a title page in the beginning, then the preceding pages is going to see all the types usually on the first turn of the page. Here are some examples for you to see that I've done for my master set binders, and I really hope you guys like them. The Scarlet and Violet base set is the first set introduced in the Generation 9 of Pokemon. And what I did was I actually used my energy cards as placeholders in the front page, and I followed the natural order of going Grass, Fire, Water, Lightning, Psychic, Fighting, Dark, Steel. And for the middle slot, what I did was I just added an energy card in reverse order just to show that it is an actual Pokemon set binder. Pretty simple, right? And looking at this order, I can kind of get an idea that this is going to be a base set binder that I just took off of my shelf. Paldea Evolved introduced the EX cards specifically for the evolutions of the starters, which are Meowscarada, Skeledirge, and Quaquaval. So for this set, I had my title page set up to show off the grass energies, the fire energies, and the water energies, specifically for the starters. Obsidian Flames introduced the Charizard EX, which is the Dark Terra type. So naturally, I would emphasize my title page with a lot of fire energies and dark energies. Now, Paradox Rift was the new one, and they introduced the ancient Pokemon and the future Pokemon. And since the mascots for them are the Iron Valiant, a psychic type, and Roaring Moon, the dark type, I emphasize my title page with both the psychic and dark type energy cards. And there you have it. It's pretty simple and it doesn't take a lot of space. You'll still have a lot of space left at the end of your binder where you can add like any extra cards or even your promo cards as well. I hope you found this information informative and helpful and give you some ideas to make a little bit more of a pizzazz in your binder collection. As always guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Leave a like if you did. Comment down below on what you think about title pages. I think title pages is a great idea. I'm doing that for all my sets, and it's just a a good way to not waste any pages, because usually in a binder collection or any kind of master sets, you're going to have a lot of excess pages at the end, and you might want to start thinking about using them a little bit. If you don't want to, it's all good. But I like to at least do half a page just for a title page at the beginning. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. See ya.